Remember that Sony DVD machine? Well, guess what? I was spent a week looking at the power supply. I didn't really know how it worked, how the topology was, but now I do. Problem actually turned out to be the main board. And now in checking the main board, I run into this thing right here. See where that capacitor is missing at? Because it was shorted. This was the capacitor here. And it was on one of my rails. That's why when I used to jump my rails with the main board connected, my rails was going way down. Because this IC generates power for one of my rails. Maybe the protect circuits. This right here is the amps, all the digital amplifiers. Maybe it's a circuit that drives this chip right here. You never know. All I know is I had a short to ground. So I don't have it anymore. I'm going to put a new capacitor in there and see what's going on.